what is the current status?
So why there was a plan for a national entrance and eligibility test? 70 members of parliament at that time had their own medical colleges, and the industry is worth about 20,000 crores. Now it has grown, like times it is maybe more than 50,000 crores, the health education industry. We tried very hard, and there was only one way. The way was a national exam. All India Institute says we are the best, CMC says we are the best, PG, all others say we are the best. A national exam was planned because a boy, villager, studying under a lamp post in a village can compete and say, I don't have to go to a coaching institute. I can still come as number one in the country. So this was the purpose of a national eligibility, and it was approved by everybody. Government gave a notification 13th December 2010. It was to be implemented, but it was not implemented. What is the advantage? Advantage is there is no capitation. Not only reducing, zero, because it is transparent. Everybody has equal opportunity. I hope अच्छे दिन आए medical education ke.
But the document as of today, what does it say? No, legally there is no capitation in India.
Legally it is depends on South
Supreme Court.
Supreme Court or no, but this was to be done the last day of the retirement of the previous Chief Justice. This was struck down, and otherwise this would have become a law. I hope there will be review petition, and there should be no doubt that there should be one single entrance exam. Everybody should have an opportunity. There should be no capitation. If all of you vow, if all of you go together, it is the society which will make a change. Doctors want it. Politicians.
So I think we must end by saying that law in recent decades has played a big role in molding the way the skills and art of medical doctors, which way are they going. We must thank you, every one of you, for participating so actively and having come here and stayed with us. Thank you.
Overtake 25 minutes. That's your achievement, not our achievement.
That's been a very, very interesting program this evening. Of course, it was a bit technical and a lot of things one could not understand, at least me. But the two doctors are very interesting. Dr. Sareen and Dr. Naresh Gupta. So thank those profusely to them, making this technical topic very, very interesting. Thank you. Thank you very much. The IIC who made this program possible. Thanks to them also. Thanks to them.
Now come to solution. The idea is we should have a group photograph of those who have stayed back. And we should have a group. Please come to say. Please come. Subhash, सामने से लेना पड़ेगा.
डॉक्टर सरीन, अगर आप जोर से बता तो बहुत लोगों को जरूरत होगी.
बहुत आसान है.
शिव सरीन SHIVSARIN@gmail.com. नंबर क्या था? 731. Again 731. 40.
Okay, done.
एक मेरे फोन से नहीं, ऐसे नहीं, दोबारा लीजिए. Let's take it like this. आपने कहाँ से graduate?
डॉक्टर साहब एक सेकंड. डॉक्टर साहब एक सेकंड. डॉक्टर साहब एक सेकंड. डॉक्टर साहब
Thank you.
Thank you for inviting.
Very important concerns of consumers regarding health and well-being, regarding various issues relating to medical profession, medical ethics, and when people are aware of these things, they can make well-informed decisions. That's the purpose.